Donald Trump just made it easier than ever to turn away queer people from hospitals. A serial killer targeting gay men in Toronto may finally be in custody, and anti-gay activists in Florida are trying to bring back Pray Away the Gay camps. We'll have this week's top LGBT news and how it affects you on Weekly Debrief. The Federal Department of Health and Human Services just invited healthcare providers all over the country to deny treatment to queer people. This week, they announced a new division dedicated to protecting doctors who refuse to see patients who they consider immoral. Calling it the Conscience and Religious Freedom Division, the new office at HHS creates new obstacles for LGBTQ patients who already have significant barriers to obtaining care. Meanwhile, over at the Department of Education, officials there are dismissing discrimination complaints from transgender students. Previously, students who were denied equal access to education could file a complaint with the Office of Civil Rights. But over the last few months, they've told multiple trans students who filed complaints that the office will no longer help them. According to the Department of Education, trans students who want an education are simply out of luck. In Toronto, LGBTQ residents have suspected for years that a serial killer was preying on gay men, despite insistence from the police that the missing men might simply have run away. After repeated complaints that police had failed to investigate multiple disappearances in the gay community, they finally charged a man this week in connection with 2 killings. There are at least 3 more possible victims. In Florida, the Southern Poverty Law Center is stepping in to defend a ban on Pray Away the Gay treatment. The Anti-Gay Liberty Council, an SPLC-recognized hate group, is trying to get the ban overturned. These treatments have been condemned as dangerous and abusive by multiple professional medical organizations, but it has been an arduous struggle to close down practitioners. This week's action item: support the SPLC's work to protect LGBTQ victims of ex-gay abuse. Head over to splcenter.org and click on the LGBT rights section to learn more about their work. Follow them on social media and get help if you've been victimized. And as always, keep sharing these videos. Let me know about stories that need coverage in the YouTube comments. Get in touch at Matt Baum on Twitter, and I'll debrief you next week.